And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
12:23, and finally the winds decreasing across the valley. It was windy again this morning, and the winds gradually decreasing this afternoon. No more advisories in effect, but the wind's still gusting over 30 miles per hour in some areas right now. It will be a little chillier out there. Temperatures mainly near 60 right now, but could end up in the upper 30s or so late tonight. But, we're not talking until maybe like 5 in the morning by the time that happens. Most of the evening, late evening, will start to fall through the 40s. Less wind for Thursday and Friday. I don't think we'll see any more of those very strong winds for a few days. There could be some gustier winds down the road by next week with a strong cold front, but I think the strongest of winds like we saw now are probably done for a while. Wind speeds right now, though, still a pretty good breeze blowing around 20 miles per hour or so. 22 the sustained wind in Harlingen, Edinburgh, and Raymondville. 25 in Port Isabel, but the gusts are still over 30 miles per hour in spots, about 33 in Brownsville, 31 in Port Isabel, but still better than the 50, 54 mile per hour gusts in parts of the lower valley that we saw yesterday, and even close to that this morning again. But future track winds in general, just kind of watch the numbers and colors here the rest of this afternoon. Everything kind of slowly fades away. By 6 o'clock, the winds down about 10 miles per hour less, and then overnight they start to go very light at 10 p.m. or calm toward the morning hour. So that means a much calmer day setting up for tomorrow. The current temperatures are in the upper 50s and lower 60s. We're at 60 in McAllen, 54 in Rio Grande City, and only 57 in Harlingen. And since it's cool today, we are setting up for a fairly chilly night because it's cool already. We have clearing skies. Clouds are thinning out across the valley. The wind will be decreasing or going almost calm late tonight. And then the air is also dry behind that cold front that went through. So all those factors come in to allow temperatures to drop a little more quickly in the evening and overnight hours. So we'll be down into the 30s in some areas, many areas maybe late tonight, but only briefly late tonight toward sunrise tomorrow morning. So low temperatures tonight could be dipping into the mid to upper 30s. But again, these are the numbers you may see 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. If you're going to be out there at midnight tonight, it's not going to be 36 degrees, but it'll probably be in the 40s most everywhere late this evening and toward midnight. So a cool or a cold night ahead, depending on your perspective and what time you get out there. But it will warm up fairly quickly tomorrow with a lot of sunshine coming back. There wasn't much rain with the front last night, only some light rain showers and sprinkles, mostly near the coast, but not too much to go around. There's still a couple sprinkles showing up on radar near Falcon Lake, but doubtful any of these will ever make it to the ground. The air is too dry and the clouds are pretty high off the ground, so you won't see any rain. But there are a few more patches of clouds still coming through this afternoon. Still a little windy this afternoon, but the wind's decreasing pretty quickly here by sunset, and then a clear, calm night tonight. And then tomorrow looks chilly to start the day, clear skies, but then lots of sunshine throughout the day. I think we'll see a lot of blue sky. Temperatures on their way back up into the 60s to near 70 tomorrow. Fairly nice day with not too much wind around. And then tomorrow night, clouds start to increase a bit on Friday. This model tries to show a sprinkle or two once in a while on Friday. I think this might be overdone a bit. We may squeak out some sun mixed with the clouds. We'll have to see how quickly the clouds thicken, but it does look like clouds will continue to roll in on Saturday. I think Saturday's the day when we start to see more rain showers come back, and it could be kind of a wet day on Saturday with on and off showers possible. So the first 1570 forecast, high temperatures around 60 or so today, 72 tomorrow though, with very little wind and not much wind on Friday. Again, the clouds may thicken a little more on Friday. We'll have to wait and see there, but definitely Saturday looks like a cloudy day, a little breezy, some showers, a good bet, and highs maybe stuck in the 60s. Sort of a bit of an upper level disturbance crosses the area Saturday and the early Sunday morning. So showers may last through Sunday morning, but I think we'll start to clear out and then warm up Monday. But then look at that temperature. Long range forecasts show a pretty good drop in temperatures next week beginning on Tuesday. We'll keep tracking that in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.